see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hi guys.
Mommy had doko, I had doko.
Galing daw kami sa doctor. And everything's good, right, Baba? Thank you, Lord.
Not know it.
Yeah, where are we going now? Hi.
My nail.
Oo, alis kami. After dito sa doctor's appointment. Papunta na kami ngayon sa...
No more nail.
Oh, wala na raw kasi yung pink.
Nail. I got more nail. Purple.
Huh?
Purple.
Yeah. What do you want? What color?
Purple.
Purple. So yan, paalis na kami dito sa GP namin. And punta na ako dun sa Kmart kung saan ako magpapagawa ng nails. Ayan. Kasi tingnan nyo, mahaba na siya, oh. Pero mas mahaba yung dati, yung green. Ngayon mas okay. So, ayan. Yan ang ating gagawin today. Today pala is Friday, May 30. Wow. And then bukas, where are we going tomorrow, Holly?
My nail.
No, today we're doing our nails. Where are we going tomorrow?
Tito Raisa.
Oo, punta kami kila Race.
My nail.
Kung kami, tutuloy ulit kila Race. May golf lesson. Every weekend naman may golf lesson yung mga bata. Pero sabi ni Jan, sama raw ako this time. Kaya dun, matutulog kami kila Race. Sandali, focus tayo dito sa ating pagdadrive. So say, see you later. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Nakita nyo ba siya? Ang dami niyang dalang toys nandun, no? Sa, ano niya, katabi niya. Okay, bye!
Bye. My daddy, look.
Yeah, dito na kami nagpark. Ako dito sa my Coles kasi across lang naman ng Coles yung Kmart. Kung nasa nandun din yung, ano, yung nails pa. And itatry kong, ano,
Dad, look.
pag hindi malambot yung kuko ko, kasi minsan nagiging malambot yung kuko ko. Ngayon kasi mahaba na siya, so hindi ako magpapalagay ng fake nails. So gamitin natin yung ating totoong kuko. Ayan, oh. Yuyuko na naman siya, pero hindi siya katulad talaga ng green. So, okay, let's go, Papa. May nakita siyang ano, eto ba? Yung Wonder Park. Kaso $2. Come on, let's go. And ayan, suot niya na yung Peppa Pig niyang shoes. First time niyang isuot yan. Okay, come on, let's go. Baba, here. Nails. Say hi. Walang tao. Maganda. Walang tao. Yeah. Siya na muna. Okay, what color you want? Purple? What color?
Purple.
Purple. This one? Okay, you give it to the lady. Nauna ka pa sa akin. Oh. Okay. Oops. Hi. Okay, you do yours first then. You're not busy today.
No.
Usually, marami ditong tao. Are you excited? Huh? Yeah, Mommy will put my nails here. Yeah. See? Look, ayan. Dito.
Orange one?
No, it's not orange. It's yellow. Thank you. And yeah, eto yung, ayan, imi-melt yung, ayan, yung nails mo. Pati yung ano, yung, hindi yung nails mo. I mean yung, fake nails dyan. So, ibababad natin dyan. And ayan si Holly. I-vlog natin si Holly. Nagkulay siya. Purple siya ngayon, dati pink. Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Other hand.
Okay.
Okay.
You let it dry first, Baba, okay? You don't touch anything yet. Are you alone today?
With my friend.
Okay.
Yeah, she just sit there.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, I love purple.
Wow. Okay, just let it rest there, okay? Oh, we're gonna put colorless, Baba. Wow, let me see. Let me see. Wow. Okay, rest it, Baba.
Yeah.
Wow. Ganda, you're done. You're quick.
Yeah.
And
So
then
now
you-
sit still for 5 or 10 minutes.
10 minutes,
After that,
yeah.
you can gonna go here, right?
Okay, you sit there for 10 minutes, okay? Just like that for 10 minutes. Tingnan natin. Talk to people. Say hi, guys. Come on, say hi, guys. I'm doing my nails with Mommy.
What's
She not go sock care today. She not go sock care today.
No. I got my
You want to keep your own.
yeah,
own
keep
nail?
this. I think
Yeah.
I'll try my nails this time.
Yeah.
Not yet. Yeah, that's my nail.
Yep. Yes. So you want to enjoy?
What you gonna say? Dry now? Is it? Tell to the people. People, it's dry. It's dry now, so she can eat choco.
So yummy.
So what you gonna say?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow. Okay, sit down properly now. Here's your baby. Oh. Say see you later, people.
Later, people.
You wait for mommy now, okay? It's mommy's turn. Ayan, tapos na kami. Wala akong coins din, hindi tinatanggap yung ano, yung card. Just sit there, Baba. Are you happy? Happy ka na, Baba? No, busy na siya dyan, ha? Kahit hindi umaandar. Iikot ka na lang ni Mama. What do you wanna eat? Ha? Which one? This one? Or this one? This one? Manners? Okay. Ito kami sa Wendy's. Huh? What? Yeah, we have to wait. Nagutom yung nagpa-beauty. Oh. Come on, show your nails to them, Baba. Like this.
Yeah.
What color is it?
Purple.
Purple. Okay, come here. Come here, Baba. Baba. Holly. Holly, line here, Baba. Oh. You have to line up. Here, you have to line up here. You have to line. Okay, wait. We have to wait. Yeah, we don't have money. We don't have coins. Gusto niya talaga dun, oh. Kaso wala akong coins. It's alright. It's alright. And then yung akin, eto. Ayan. Kebab. Ayan. Yung lemang kinuha ko. Yeah, we're waiting for your hot dog. Okay. Thank you. Here, Baba. You gonna say? Huh? Okay, wait. And ito yung banana milkshake. Come on. Here, Baba. And yung akin is yung kebab na lagi kong ino-order yan dito. Ayan. Yan yung akin. Yeah. Lipat ko siya doon para makita ko siya. Ha? Okay, wait. Wait, Baba, Mommy, wait. Not yet. It's alright, Mommy will do that later. What you gonna say? Be careful. You cannot hold together, Baba. Yeah, put tissue. Put tissue away. Yeah. Ito yung nails ko, oh. Nagpa-tatlo akong kulay. Merong glittery, white, and then ito yung blue. Baby blue. And si Holly, syempre, purple. Yeah, you want that? Okay. What are you eating? Show you sa baby niya. Shane. And it with Mama. And
A baby.
you want to try it? good?
My pay. Pay is yours.
How many dollars you pay?
Look.
No? Okay, are you almost done?
Look. It's more here.
Okay.
That is like the pork.
Oo, hotdog lang talaga yung kinain niya, oh. Ayan. Next time, hotdog lang yung i-order ko sa'yo. Last time kasi, ang in-order ko lang din sa kanya is yung hotdog lang. Naubos niya, kaso siya yung nagpili. Ito ang gusto niya, pero hindi niya naman kinain. Okay. Ito, konti na lang. Where's your baby? No, that's mommy. Yeah. Ilagay niya raw yung sabihin. Wait. Oh, hold your baby na, baba. Ganap siya ng wait, ha? Oh, where's your shoes? Fe Cordova. Danica Buhoy. Irish May. Doronila. Juvin. De la Campo. Rowena. Akyatan. Rosalie. Junior. Celine. Joraline. Lehi. Jemima.
Don't forget to write hashtag ChonaAndMyKids to be shared at and bye.
We're not gonna go Kmart. We're not going there. Ano naman titingnan mo dito sa Kmart? We're going home now because we have to pack our things because we're going to... That's right. Let's go. Ayan. Ako na to sa inyo kanina nung kumakain kami. Ayan yung kuko ko. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, gagamitin ko sana yung totoo kong nails kasi hindi na. Kasi sabi nung babae, hindi pantay-pantay. So, patubuin ko muna sila ng pantay-pantay. Then, yun. So, sa next time na next time pa nagpa-SNS ako, yung totoo ko ng kuko. So, ngayon, fake ulit siya. And then, ayan nga, 3 colors. May glittery and blue and white. So, yan. Ayun naman siya. Nakita niyo naman yung mga payong dito. Meron ka na yan. Binilang ko siya sa Kmart ng umbrella. Pero ano sa kanya, yung unicorn. It's not raining. 1995 siya, oh. Nakalimutan ko yung magkano sa kanya. Pero mas mura yun for sure. Let's go. We're gonna go Coles now. Hold mommy's hand. So, gamit ko pala yung phone, guys, kasi lobat na yung vlogging camera natin. Come on. It's really cold, Baba. Oh, come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah, very cold. Ayan, dito na kami. Say hi. Say hi. Dito na kami sa Coles. So, diba? Malapit lang talaga ang Kmart. No, we don't need that, Baba. We're just gonna get apples. Kunin lang naman natin apple, Baba, kasi hindi pa naman oras ng pag-grocery. Pinakuha tayo ng cart ni Holly. You have to wash your hands, Baba. Okay, wait for Mama. Oh, you have to wash your hands. Get one for Mommy too, please. Ito ang maganda dito sa Coles kasi meron silang sanitizer na ito ba? Wipes. Okay, your hands. Good girl. And then, ayan. Punasan natin ito. Okay, Mommy too, please. Put in the bin, Baba, oh. Salamat po. Okay, let's go. Kuha tayo ng apple. Come on. Yeah, we can get apples. Ito, green apples. Kuya wants green apples, Baba. Here, oh. You have to check, okay? Check. It's all good? Okay. Isa. You have to check. Good? Let me see. Mommy, look. Okay. 2. You have to check. No, ba tingin? Maganda ba? Oo. Okay, good. 3. No, it's heavy, Baba. Oh, it's heavy. Mommy. Okay. Oh, Mommy, check then. You hold up for Mommy. Okay, 4. Oops. See? Hold it. 5. 6. It's getting heavier, Baba. Your Mommy hold? Okay, wait. We need more. 6. Okay, here.
What's it?
I check. Good. Oh, see? Good. Okay, put it here. Another one. One more for Mommy. 7. 8. Okay.
Whoa!
Oh, Mommy. Oh, Mommy, drop it. Get that for Mommy. I'll do that. I'll do it, Baba. Okay. Kinuha niya. Akin na. No, come on. Oh. Okay, let's go. That's it. Kuha na rin ako ng chicken kasi para hindi na ako magluto. Kasi di ba alis din naman kami bukas para walang leftover. We're just gonna get chicken. Yeah. Huh? Don't touch. It's hot here, Baba. Not green kasi may green naman. Wag na yan. Ito na lang yung regular lang. Don't touch, Baba. It's hot. Okay. $10 to. Ayan. And then we're gonna get salad. Come on. No, we don't need. No, we don't need veggies. We're gonna do that when we do grocery. What's that?
It's fit over there.
Okay, you want fruits? Okay, put them fruits. Okay, thank you. What you gonna say to the lady? So, ayan, salad.
Saccharid, Mama.
No, Kuya Zachary, yes, isa kasi gusto niya yung salad na yan.
It's mine.
No, it's not yours, yung garment salad. Huh?
Yours.
No, it's for Daddy and Kuya.
And me.
And yours?
And yours.
Okay. Ang daldal
And
mo.
Kuya.
And Kuya. Okay, let's go. Let's pay now. We're done here. Let's go, Baba, here. We have to pay. 12 items or less lang. Kasi ayan lang naman yung babayaran natin. Kaya hindi na ako magluto. Baba kami Uy. Yan guys, dito na kami sa car. Umuulan at sobrang lamig ngayon. As in, sobrang lamig kasi malapit na yung winter. Winter, 2 days na lang. June kasi, ang winter dito sa Australia. Yes, we're going. Ang winter kasi dito start June 1 to August. So, yeah. Ngayon, diba, May 30 and 2 days na lang. June na. Ang bilis. Papasko na naman, Holly. And ang bastos ng aking, nakikita nyo yung ilong ko mayroong pimples. Ang bastos niya. Diyan talaga siya tumubo. First time ko magka-pimples dyan sa part na yan. But anyway, yeah, paalis na kami ni Holly. And then, ano?
This boy.
I don't know what you're talking about. So yan, alis na kami and itry kong i-upload tong vlog na ito today. Pag eto na-upload ko today, eto na yung aking pinaka-updated na vlog sa buong vlog ko. Ha? Okay, say bye, people. Do you like your nails?
Yes.
Yes, ako din. Gusto ko rin yung nails ko today. Say bye.
Bye.
Say, please like.
Please like.
Please subscribe.
Bye.
If you haven't yet.
See ya.
See you on our next vlog. Okay, bye guys. Thank you. So, itry ko i-upload to today. Pagka dating ko sa bahay and then mag-impake ako kasi alis kami bukas. So, yun na guys. Marami pa akong vlogs na pumunta kami ng Adelaide na hindi ko pa na-upload. Pero etong vlog na to, i-upload ko to today kasi fresh pa siya sa aking memory. Fresh pa sa aking memory. Yeah, wait. There's cars behind us. Yun. Alis na tayo.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.